Hello there. Here's a question for you. How much time and money do you spend creating YouTube ads for your business? Imagine cutting this by 80%. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Creatify's cool new AI video ads tool to convert your product pages directly into professional YouTube ads in less than 5 minutes. Ready to begin? Let's go. First, head over to Creatify AI's website and click Try It for free to sign up for a free account and gain instant access to their video creation tools. Once you're logged in, select the Create tab on the left and then select the AI Video Ads tool. This is where the magic begins. Copy and paste the URL of the product page you want to promote in your ad. Then, hit Analyze URL. Creatify AI will automatically scan your page and extract key information and assets about your product, including the name, description, and images to use in creating your ad. Next, take a moment to carefully review the product information Creatify AI extracted from your page. Double-check to make sure the details are accurate and make any changes if needed. You can also upload your logo, images, and videos to make your ad pop. The better the quality of media, the more engaging your ad will be. Now, let's configure the video ad. Choose the aspect ratio that works best for your platform. In this case, we're selecting YouTube as the platform and 9:16 as the aspect ratio. Next, decide on the video length and select the language for your ad. Finally, describe your target audience as specifically as possible. Okay, now it's time to bring your ad story to life. Creatify AI generates several scripts to choose from. Select the one you like and correct any errors you find. Make sure your script matches your target audience and highlights your product's unique features and benefits in a way that grabs attention and drives action. Now it's time to bring your script to life. Choose from a variety of AI avatars to serve as the face of your brand. Then, pick from over 140 realistic AI voices to deliver your message. Adjust the tone and speed to make sure the delivery feels just right for your audience. Next, select one or more video ads from the options presented. Creatify's AI does a great job providing a variety of ads for all kinds of situations, products, platforms, and audiences. Before rendering your final video, take a moment to preview and edit it. Creatify AI's excellent full-featured video editor makes it easy to adjust the script, avatar, captions, background music, and call to action. Polishing your video can make all the difference in creating a powerful and effective ad. Once you're happy with your video, click Render. Creatify AI will create your ad in about a minute. When it's ready, download the video ad and you're good to go. You now have a professional quality ad ready to share with the world. Finally, upload your video ad to YouTube and other platforms you advertise on. Track your ad's performance and watch the engagement and sales roll in. Remember, you can always come back to Creatify to create new ad variants and improve your ads based on what's working best. And we're done! We just converted a product page into a YouTube ad in less than 5 minutes. Ready to save time creating stunning video ads for your business? Click the link in the description below to try Creatify's video ads tool now for free.